Hi students, hello, how are you? I think you are all fine and safe in home. So, uh, today I am going to start a new lesson. Okay, the name of the new lesson is Tenali Rama and the cats. Okay, Tenali Raman and the cats. So I think you people have heard, you people might have read the stories of Tenali Rama. You people know about Tenali Rama. So Tenali Rama, he is a very intelligent person. Right. So Tenali Rama, he is a very intelligent person. Tenali Ramakrishna. Right. So his place was Tenali. He was born in Tenali. So he got the name as Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay. So you people have heard, no? You people might have listened the stories of Tenali Rama, and also you people might have read the stories of Tenali Rama. Right, students? Yes. So I have come with another story. Okay, there are many stories about Tenali Rama. So which gives which gives the uh, which says us, okay, which says how intelligent he was. Okay, so Tenali Rama, how intelligent, how he was using his brain. Okay, so in the same manner, so you might have heard about Birbal also, right? Birbal, he was, we have heard that Birbal was in the court of Akbar, and he was also like that. He was solving the problems. He was solving a great questions, big questions, okay, puzzles and all. In the same manner, Tenali Ramakrishna, he belongs to our Karnataka, right? So he was under the king, Krishna Raya. Okay, he was under the king called Krishna Raya. Okay, so he was also very intelligent. Tenali Rama, he was very intelligent person. He was solving the problems. Okay, he was solving the questions. Okay, very easily with his wit, with his knowledge. Okay, by the help of his knowledge, with the help of his wit, he was solving all the questions. He was giving answer for all the questions. There was no question in this world. It is said that there is no question in this world which is not solved by this Tenali Rama. Okay, Tenali Rama Krishna. So let us see. We have come. So here in your textbook, they have given a small story. Okay, it is very small story, and you people will enjoy the story. Maybe some of you have already know about this story. Okay, maybe some of you know already about this story, but then also we will see what is there in the story, and let us enjoy the story. Okay, students? Yes. Let me start this story. It's a very beautiful story.
Tenali Raman and the cat. Long, long ago, there was a clever man called Tenali Ramakrishna.
So long ago, years back, long ago, there was a man. Okay, there was a clever man, intelligent man. Very intelligent and clever man was there, and that man name is Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay, what was the name of that person? Tenali Ramakrishna. He was very intelligent person, very clever person.
Yeah, he was minister to a great king called Krishna Raya.
So he was a minister to a great king called Krishna Raya. So as I said, he was in the court of Krishna Raya. Okay, he was the minister. There will be so many ministers in king's court, right? In the same manner, this Tenali Rama was also one of the minister of the great king. So this king, he was also very famous, and this king's court, there was a very clever man, intelligent man called Krishna Raya, and he was a minister.
Once in that city, there were lots of problems due to that.
So once in that city, in that kingdom, there was a problem was created due to rats. So how these rats create the problem? Right, you people know very well. So in our home also, if rat comes, means we get panicked. Right, your mother and father, especially mother, what she will do? She want to get rid of that rat because it will be disturbing everything. Right, it will be disturbing the whole things. Whatever is there in home, the rat will disturb it. right? It will bite pipes, it will bite food, it will bite the food items, it will bite the cloth, that, this, and all, wires and all. So it creates a lot of problem. So in the same manner, in that city, in that kingdom, once what happened, there was a problems due to rats. There were many rats, and people started to face the problem because of this rats.
They were eating all sorts of books and papers.
So this rats, they started to eat all sorts of books and paper. Okay, they started to eat all sorts of books and papers. Whatever they were getting, they were biting and eating them.
They also used to make holes in wooden shelves and also eat rice.
So what they were doing, they were making the holes in wooden shelves. Okay, they were making the holes in wooden shells and also eat rice. They also started to eat rice. So usually they like rice. Rice is a favorite food of these rats, right? So you people also know very well, this rice is the favorite food of rats, and these rats in that kingdom, they started to not only eat the books and papers, but also they were making the holes, and also they were eating the rice.
Sometimes they even nibbled the ears of little clever girls.
So sometimes what these rats were doing, they were nibbling. Okay, they were nibbling the ears of little clever girls. Okay, they were eating. Okay, nibble means what? Eat something by taking a lot of small, bites. So small bites. They were even not leaving the ears of that little girls. Okay, small girls, when they were sleeping, no, that girls, what these rats were doing, they were going and eating that ears of the clever girls. Okay,
Everybody knows that cats kill rats.
so everybody knows that cats kill rats, right? You people also know that, right? The rats are eaten by the cats. You people also know very well, right?
But there were so many rats in the city, but very few cats.
But what happened in that city? In that kingdom, there were many rats. So many rats were there. There were hundreds of rats actually. Okay, but only few cats. Cats were only few compared to the rats. Cats were only few. Okay, only little cats were there. Small, only few amount of cats were there.
So the king asked every house in the city to grow cats.
So what the king ordered, king told to each and everyone who were there in his kingdom to grow the cats. Okay, to keep and grow the cats in each and everyone's house. Okay, king asked that citizens to grow the cats in their home. Okay.
But cats need milk to drink.
So, but what cats need? They need milk to drink. So, milk is a very favorite food for cats. As rice is a very favorite food for rats, in the same manner, milk. Okay, milk is a favorite food of cats. Okay, so they want cats. So, king ordered to grow the cats. But what the cats need? They need milk to drink.
Most of the houses did not have cows.
Most of the houses did not have cows. That problem arises now. Okay, king ordered to keep the cats and grow the cats, but most of the houses did not had cows. So from cows we get milk, no? So right. So in that manner, so most of the houses in that city did not had cows. Then what the king did? Let us see.
So the king gave cows to every house and asked them to grow them too.
So what king did? King gave a cow to each and every house. He gave a cow. Okay. King, he gave a cow to each and every house and then asked the people to grow them too. Along with the cat, he asked the people to grow the cows also. Okay. The king along with the cat. So cats needed milk. So that is why king gave the cow. Okay, for each and every house, king gave the cow and asked the people to grow the cow also. Along with the cat, they have to grow the cow also.
cat lot of milk to drink.
So all people become happy because they got the cow, no? Right? So all the people become happy and they gave the little cats a lot of milk to drink. They gave the cats a lot of milk to drink because they had the cow. So there was no problem for milk now, right?
Tenali Ramakrishna was a clever man.
So Tenali Ramakrishna, he was a very clever man. Really, he was a very clever man. Let's see what he did.
He decided not to give milk to cat.
So what he decided? He decided not to give milk to the cat. He decided that he will not give milk to the cat. Even he had a cat. Okay, so he decided not to give milk to the cat.
So the first day, he boiled the milk and poured it in a pan.
So what Tenali Rama did, he used his knowledge, okay, and first day itself, what he did, he boiled the milk, okay, and he boiled the milk and poured that boiling milk in a pan, okay, in a bowl. He boiled the milk and he poured that boiling milk in a pan.
He gave the piping hot milk to the cat.
He gave the piping hot milk to the cat. Okay, he gave the piping hot milk. So it was very hot. Okay, he gave that milk to the cat. Okay.
The cat, which was hungry, came and sipped the milk from the pan.
So the cat, it was very hungry because he had not given food. Okay, Tenali Rama, he had not given food or milk to the cat. So the cat was very hungry. So as soon as Tenali Rama kept that bowl, that pot in front of the cat and poured milk, so what the cat did, it came and it sipped the milk from the pan. Okay, you can see in the picture, it sipped the milk from the pan.
Since the milk was hot, it burned its mouth.
So since the milk was very hot, no, so the boiling hot milk he put in the pan, right? So since the milk was very hot, what happened to the cat? The cat's mouth was burned. Okay, it burned its mouth. So when you drink hot milk, if your mother gives milk and it is very hot, so without knowing, if you drink a hot milk, right, what will happen to you? Your tongue will be burned, no? So for a few minutes, you can't taste anything. The taste buds will die for a few minutes, right? So the same thing happened. The mouth was burned. The cat's mouth was burned because it was very hot milk.
The cat ran away.
So the cat ran away. It didn't drink the milk, it ran away.
The next day, Tenali Ramakrishna did the same thing.
So next day also what this Tenali Rama did, this Tenali Ramakrishna next day also, he poured the boiling milk in the pan and he gave it to drink to the cat. And again what cat did? It didn't drink, it burnt its mouth and it ran away.
After a few days, he stopped giving milk to the cat and started drinking it himself.
So after some day, what he did for few days, this Tenali Rama, he stopped giving milk to the cat. Okay, Tenali Ramakrishna, what he did the same thing, and later after a few days, for few days, he stopped giving milk to the cat, and this Tenali Rama himself started to drink that milk. Okay.
Tenali Ramakrishna's cat was hungry and all other cats were fat and happy.
So Tenali Ramakrishna's cat. So Tenali Ramakrishna's cat, what happened to Tenali Ramakrishna's cat? It was hungry. Okay, it was not getting food. It was getting fear to drink the milk because it was thinking that it was a hot milk. As it has burned its mouth, no, drinking the milk 2 or 3 times. So Tenali Ramakrishna's cat, it was always hungry. And all the cats, all other cats which were in others' homes, other people's home. So what happened to those cats? Those cats become fat and they were happy. Those cats were very happy and they had become fat also. Okay.
prize to the fat cat.
So one day, what the king decided? The king, Krishnaraya, he decided. What he decided? He decided that he wanted to see all the cats which were given by him. Okay, he wanted to see all the cats which were given by him, and he decided to give the prize to the fattest cat. Okay, he decided, the king Krishnaraya decided to give the prize to the fattest cat in the city.
He was very angry with Tenali Ramakrishna for not growing his cat properly.
So when this Krishnaraya, the king, when he saw Tenali Rama's cat, he became very angry. Why? Because so this cat was not drinking milk. It was always hungry. So when it will be always hungry, what will happen? It will become lean, right? It will become weak. So Tenali Ramakrishna's cat had become weak. It was not healthy. So the king, after seeing Tenali Rama's cat, he became angry. Okay, he became angry for not growing his cat properly. Okay, he felt angry because Tenali Rama, he had not looked after his cat properly. He had not given milk to his cat properly. That is why the king, he became very, very angry on Tenali Ramakrishna.
Then Tenali Ramakrishna told the king that he was not lucky since his cat did not drink any milk.
So Tenali Rama, what he did, when the king asked why his cat was like this, so Tenali Rama, he said that he was not lucky person. Why? Because he said that his cat does not drink milk. Okay, he said that Tenali Rama, he said that he was unlucky person. He was not lucky person because his cat was not drinking milk. Not little bit also he is not drinking milk, Tenali Rama said to the king.
The king wanted to put Tenali Ramakrishna in jail for telling a lie and wanted him to prove what he said.
So what king decided? King decided that to put Tenali Ramakrishna to jail because king thought that Tenali Ramakrishna is telling lie. Okay, king thought that Tenali Ramakrishna is telling lie. He is lying to him, and he decided to put him to jail. And also, king asked Tenali Rama to prove what he is saying, to prove it. Okay, he said no. Tenali Rama said no, the cat does not drink milk. So the king asked Tenali Rama to prove it. Okay, to give the evidence for that, to give the proof for that.
Then Tenali Ramakrishna brought the pan of milk to his cat.
So then Tenali Ramakrishna, what he did? He bought a pan of milk. He bought a milk. Okay, he pan of milk he bought, and also he bought his cat also. Along with that, he bought the cat also, his cat also.
The cat on seeing the milk ran away.
So the cat, after seeing the milk in the pan, it ran away. Okay, the cat, it got fear. Okay, by seeing the milk, it ran away from there.
He thought that it was being given again hot milk.
So why it ran away? Why the cat ran away? Because the cat thought. Okay, because the cat thought that again he has been served. He has been given again the hot milk. Because 2 to 3 times Tenali Rama gave hot milk itself. No. So that is why now also what the cat thought. The cat thought as soon as the milk was kept in front of the cat, it ran away because cat thought that it had been given a hot milk. So it ran away because it don't want to burn its mouth.
The king pitied Tenali Ramakrishna and let him get away.
So the king felt bad. He got pity. Okay, he felt sympathy. He got pity on Tenali Rama and he let Tenali Rama go away. Okay, he did not put Tenali Rama into the jail. He let Tenali Rama to go from there. Okay, he saw this Tenali Rama, he proved, right, that cat does not drink milk. So Ramakrishna, that is Ramakrishna was left by the king. He was not put to jail. He was not punished. So he went away.
The clever Tenali Ramakrishna lived happily forever.
So the Tenali Ramakrishna, what he did? He lived happily forever. Okay.
Drinking lots and lots of milk.
And he drank lots and lots of milk. Okay, he drank, Tenali Ramakrishna, he drank lots of milk. He lived his life happily. Okay, children, see how clever this Tenali Rama is, right? Right. So how clever he is. He wanted to prove himself, right? So he can do anything. Such a clever person he is. Very clever-minded person this Tenali Rama is. Even the king didn't understood, right? His wit, his cleverness. Okay, so this is how Tenali Rama is clever. So whole world knows about Tenali Rama. He is a very clever person. Okay, students. So this Tenali Rama, he lived in this king's court, and it is said that so he was a very clever person in this king court. And one more thing I want to say about Tenali Rama. So he was born in Tenali, and he served for the king Krishna Raya. He was a very good minister in Krishna Raya's court, and also a very clever person. Okay, so he was a very clever person. He used his intelligence. He was a very intelligent person, this Tenali Rama. And by his intelligence, he has solved a lot of problems. He had solved a lot of questions and all. And it is said that after Krishna Raya, he was one of the favorite minister of Krishna Raya. Very close to Krishna Raya. Okay, this Tenali Rama, he was very close to Krishna Raya, a favorite minister of Krishna Raya. And it is said that after Krishna Raya's died, okay, after Krishna Raya died, what happened to Tenali Rama? It is said that he also died because of snake bite. It is, some say that he was killed. Okay, there are many stories about his death also. So some says that he was killed by the snake bite. Okay, a big snake bite him, and Tenali Rama was died. Okay, students, so this is the story, a very beautiful story, a small and short and sweet story of Tenali Rama. We came to know about the intelligence, how he very intelligently came out of that problem, and how he solved that. He came out of that problem when king asked about the cat, how he escaped from that by proving, right? So, and how beautifully he used. So all others, they use that cow milk for feeding the cat, but this fellow, he was very clever. Instead of giving to cat, they are giving that milk to cat, so he only drinking it, right? So he solved the problem. That is, if the cat drinks the milk, it will become fat. So if I drink the milk, it will be very useful for me, he thought. He started to drink the milk. And if the king asked why the cat is like that, for that also he prepared for himself. Okay, he kept, how beautifully he kept the cat away from the milk, right? So because cats does not live milk, they love a lot milk, right? Wherever it is there, if they get the smell of milk, they will just jump on that milk and drink. Okay, so this is how it was a beautiful story. I hope you people enjoyed this story a lot, right, students? Okay, then bye for today. Have a nice day. I will come with the new lesson in next class. Okay, till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.